Hi, while we're waiting for our chocolate cakes to cool down, we might as well get on and make the chocolate buttercream. Because it's going to sandwich the cake layers together, I want it to be nice and soft. So I'm going to use a ratio of 1:1. So however much butter I'm using, I'm going to use the same quantity of icing sugar. That will make it nice and soft. If I was going to cover the cake in buttercream, I would probably want something a bit firmer, so on the outside I would use a ratio of 1:2. So whatever quantity of butter I'm using, I would double the icing sugar. So this is my 100 grams of icing sugar. To that, initially I'm going to add in my melted butter. Again, it's 100 grams of melted butter, and I would always just start stirring it in first. That way you avoid covering yourself and your kitchen in a cloud of icing sugar. You're going to add in your 20 grams of melted chocolate. I've just melted mine over a glass of boiled water. Just tip that all in. You can either keep mixing by hand, but it will take forever, or an electric beater. I'm going to go and do this with an electric beater, and I'll come back and show you some of the results in a moment. Start slowly. So we've got quite a wet mixture here at the moment. It's very soft, but you can see it's really changed in colour. I would say that's probably a little bit too soft, but keep mixing and it will put more air into it. Hopefully you can see that as I've whipped it a bit more, it's foamed up a bit, and it's also got lighter in colour again. That's pretty good for a lovely soft buttercream filling. So I'm going to leave that there.